Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the miscellaneous of chapter 1. Now, A is a given set x square minus 8x plus 12. We factorize by splitting the middle term and find out the value of A, that is 2 and 6. Set B, set C and set D are already given to you. You have to justify which one is the subset of other. If you observe D is the element 6, 6 is lies in A, so D is the subset of A. 6 is also lies in B, so D is a subset of B. 6 is also lies in C, so D is a subset of C also. Similarly, this 2 and 6 also lies in B, so A is a subset of B. And this 2 and 6 also lies in 6, so A is a subset of C. And if you observe, C is the longest set, so C will be not a subset of any one. So all of the terms are the subset of A, B and D. Here there are the few questions given to you. You have to identify whether the statement is true or false. Let us discuss one or two statements. Let X be the element belongs to A and A belongs to B, then X belongs to B. He said check the statement is true or false. Definitely it is a false statement. Let us see an example. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1 and 2. Remember, see, 1 is written in the form of braces. In case of B, 1 is written with the braces and one more extra element 2. Then, see, 1 is belongs to A. It is true. This 1 is A is belongs to B because all the element of A lies in element B. So A is also belongs to B because this complete is a one element for the B. But individually 1 is not belongs to C. 1 is belongs to B only when it is in the form of braces. Single 1 is not belongs to B. It becomes the subset. In this case it is belongs to B when it is written in the form of a set, but in this case it is written only element. This 1 is belongs to A. There is a big difference between belongs to and subset. In case of belongs to, we discuss the element only like here, but when we discuss about the subset, it should be in braces. Similarly, we can go for the other proof also. If A is a subset of B, B belongs to C and A belongs to C. It is again a false statement. Let us take A having element 2, B having element 0 and 2, C element is 1, 0, 2 and C. See all the element of B again in a set, one set of element of A. In this case, A is subset of B. It is a true, yes, because 2 is there. B is belongs to C because all the element of B lies in the C. B is belongs to C, but A is not belongs to C. 2 is there, but 2 is not in the single element. It is in the pair. So A is not belongs to C. So it is a false statement.